The Amazon rainforest is the world's largest tropical rainforest, known for its unparalleled biodiversity, vital ecological role, and as a critical component in maintaining global climate stability. Spanning over 9 countries in South America, this vast expanse of lush greenery is often referred to as the lungs of the earth for its role in producing oxygen and absorbing carbon dioxide. In this detailed article, we will delve into the Amazon rainforest's geography, biodiversity, ecological importance, human influence, and conservation efforts. Geography and size. The Amazon rainforest covers approximately 6.7 million square kilometers, 2.7 million square miles, across 9 South American countries: Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. More than 60% of the rainforest lies within the borders of Brazil. The region's diverse ecosystems include dense tropical forests, floodplains, savannas, and mountainous terrain, making it one of the most ecologically rich places on Earth. Biodiversity. The Amazon boasts an estimated 390 billion individual trees, representing around 16,000 species, many of which are found nowhere else in the world. Iconic tree species include the Brazil nut tree, rubber tree, and the giant kapok tree. The rainforest is home to a staggering variety of wildlife, including jaguars, pumas, ocelots, sloths, tapirs, and capybaras. Bird enthusiasts will find more than 1,300 species here, including the harpy eagle and toucans. The Amazon River, which flows through the region, houses over 2,200 species of fish, such as the piranha and Amazon River dolphin. The Amazon is believed to contain more insect species than anywhere else in the world, including a dazzling array of butterflies and a multitude of ants and beetles. The river systems within the rainforest support a multitude of aquatic life, including the Amazon manatee, anaconda, and pararacu, one of the largest freshwater fish in the world. Ecological importance. The Amazon rainforest plays a crucial role in regulating the world's climate. Its trees and plants absorb carbon dioxide, reducing greenhouse gas levels, and release oxygen into the atmosphere. This earned it the nickname Lungs of the Earth. The Amazon is a global biodiversity hotspot, with countless undiscovered species. Protecting it is essential for safeguarding Earth's genetic diversity. The forest acts as a giant water pump, circulating moisture through the atmosphere, helping to regulate weather patterns, and providing fresh water to the region and beyond. Human influence and challenges. The Amazon is under constant threat from deforestation, primarily due to agriculture, logging, and infrastructure development. These activities have grave consequences for biodiversity, indigenous communities, and the global climate. The Amazon is home to many indigenous communities that depend on the forest for their livelihoods and cultural identity. They are increasingly threatened by encroachment and land disputes. Extraction activities, such as mining and oil drilling, are a growing concern in the region, leading to habitat destruction, pollution, and negative impacts on both the environment and local communities. Conservation efforts. 1. Protected areas. National parks. These areas cover vast portions of the Amazon and serve as crucial refuges for countless species. Brazil, for example, has over 300 national parks. Indigenous territories. Indigenous communities are often the best stewards of the land, and recognizing their rights to their ancestral territories is a key component of Amazon conservation. Approximately 13% of the Amazon basin is officially designated as indigenous land. Reserves and conservation units. These areas are designed to promote sustainable land use practices while preserving biodiversity. They include extractive reserves, sustainable development reserves, and ecological stations. Brazil alone had designated more than 18% of its Amazon territory as protected areas, covering over 2.3 million square kilometers. 2. International cooperation. The Amazon Cooperation Treaty Organization, ACTO, comprising 8 Amazon countries, focuses on environmental protection and sustainable development in the region. OCTO's projects include mapping deforestation, monitoring water quality, and promoting sustainable resource management. Initiatives such as the Forest Investment Program, FIP, and the Global Environment Facility, GEF, provide funding for conservation efforts in the Amazon basin. In 2020, OCTO and the United Nations Development Program, UNDP, launched a project to combat deforestation in the Amazon region, with a total budget of $18 million. 3. Indigenous rights and involvement. Data from the Rainforest Foundation indicates that when indigenous peoples have legal rights to their land, deforestation rates decrease. In Brazil, for instance, where indigenous land rights are recognized, deforestation rates inside indigenous territories are significantly lower than in unprotected areas. 4. Scientific research and monitoring. Brazil's National Institute for Space Research, INPE, operates the DETER system, which uses satellite imagery and remote sensing technology to provide real-time deforestation alerts based on satellite data. In 2020, INPE reported a decrease of 8.5% in deforestation in the Brazilian Amazon compared to the previous year, attributed in part to stricter enforcement and monitoring. 5. Sustainable development and reforestation. Promoting sustainable land use practices and reforestation efforts are essential for Amazon conservation. Organizations and governments are working to support local communities in adopting sustainable livelihoods and restoring damaged areas. The Amazon Fund, for example, has supported over 100 projects, totaling more than $1.3 billion, with a strong focus on sustainability and conservation. Conclusion. The Amazon rainforest is a natural wonder of unparalleled ecological significance, housing a wealth of biodiversity and playing a pivotal role in climate regulation. However, it faces numerous challenges, primarily driven by human activities, including deforestation and resource extraction. The conservation of this extraordinary ecosystem requires international cooperation, sustainable development, and the protection of indigenous rights. The future of the Amazon rainforest is not just a matter of regional concern, it is vital to the health of the entire planet.